Let's talk about production-based pricing. What is it? Why is it a smart choice for manufacturers? Let's start with the basics. Production-based pricing means setting your product prices based on actual production cost. In other words, you calculate everything including materials, labor, and overhead and build your prices from the ground up. That solid foundation brings 6 key advantages. The first is cost control. When you know exactly what it costs to make your product in raw materials and labor, you can manage those costs more effectively. If one component spikes in price, you're able to catch it early and react accordingly. Benefit 2, predictability. Because your pricing reflects real expenses, you can forecast margins more reliably. That helps with budgeting and spotting when production costs are moving in a less favorable direction. Benefit 3, transparency. Both your team and your customers gain insights into what's behind the price. And in today's world, where supply chain hiccups and material shortages are front-page news, that clarity builds trust. Benefit 4, consistency. By tying price to cost, you can avoid erratic price jumps. That steadiness reassures customers and highlights your reliability, and nothing turns buyers away faster than surprise price changes. Benefit 5, sharper decisions. When you have a detailed breakdown of costs like material, wages, and overhead, you can make smarter decisions about which products to push, pause, or tweak. That kind of insight empowers strategy and growth. Benefit 6, stronger competitiveness. Because your prices align with actual production costs, you can remain competitive without undercutting yourself. If you find margins shrinking, it's a signal to optimize prices, not just lower prices blindly. So there you have it. Better cost control, accurate forecasting, clear transparency, stable pricing, informed choices, and a competitive edge, all from production-based pricing. Labor rates and supply costs shift constantly, so keeping close tabs on what you spend is key. With production-based pricing, that insight comes naturally and you can stay on top of your business's financial health.